Welcome to
Fun for Kids.
Like, share, subscribe.
Let's have fun. Let's learn the letter O today. Sing with me and shout hooray! O for orange. O for orange, juicy, round and oh so sweet. A healthy, yummy fruit to eat. O for owl. Big round eyes and hoot hoot sound, flying softly all around. O for octopus, 8 long arms that wiggle so. In the ocean, watch it go. O for ox, strong and big, works on the farm, pulls the plow with mighty charm. O for oven, hot and warm, baking fun, cakes and cookies, yum yum yum. O for ostrich, tall and fast, runs on land, longest legs you've ever planned. O for orange juice, sip it cold, fresh and bright, full of vitamins, what a delight. O for onion, round and white, with layers tight, makes us cry but tastes just right.